Welcome to Career Development in College London. You can also find a career development course on our website. No matter where you are from or who you are, we will welcome you. You can explore our popular courses. We will give certified courses for you. Have 40 courses, 400 videos for you. Time to accelerate your career. Let's register now. Click here to register to add your details. Cool. You have an account. This account gets to manage your certificates, courses, quizzes, order and so on. Now we can order course. Have categories with best courses. Here the find one. Born to Succeed. You can check out overview and curriculum in the course. Click here to buy the course, choose your payment method, add details and simply place the order. It is 100% safe. Okay, now we have a course to face. Let's face it first, we have an ebook. After having videos to watch in final exam. I faced the exam and I passed it, so can get a certificate. We can leave feedback to the course experience. If you need contact, we are in for you. Simple steps: go to contact page, it gives contact details and you can get contact. We fill the boxes and send a message. We will send response fast. Finally, Bella VR web page has these features for you. Home. No matter where you're from or who you are, we'll welcome you with open arms. Identify yourself with the future of e-learning. About Us Career Development College London is an e-learning college located in the UK that provides a range of career and professional courses. Courses. Browse online course categories. Blog. Why Career Development College UK e-learning provides a lot of benefits for all types of people without any particulars. FAQ, frequently asked questions. Terms and conditions. Refund policy and cancellation policy. Cookie policy. Privacy policy. Disclaimer. So, why you waiting for? Register now. Buy course, learn to get certificate and success in your life.